right in the fire.
Why?
Because,
Get up a little bit.
come over here. Right here. You don't want it right in the fire. Because if you put it right in the fire, it'll turn black very fast. You want to take your time and you want to roast the marshmallow and make it a nice golden brown, not a black.
I like mine black.
Not like a piece of charcoal. Okay? And you want to keep moving the stick.
That's how you?
Mhm.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
I can do it by myself.
On your face.
Aquí están los tres Jade. The three Jade.
Jack, and Jack.
J.
Dad, now you can just
Triple J.
You got it?
Wow, Jackie. What you doing, Jackie?
You roasting marshmallows? Don't touch it on the brick. Oof.
Chakala. And Harley too.
Harley is that.
We need to change Harley names. Now it's Harley with J. Charlie. It is Charlie.
Hola. 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 Abatitu. Abapupu. Is it ready?
Good day, Sean.
Hey, Dad. I don't want you to get burnt in your hand.
Oh, wow, man. Good.
Yours is dead because you